So these are the Realme Buds T300. ये T300 Terminator का नाम नहीं लग रहा? Hi there! Here are the Realme Buds T300 which I've been using for a couple of days now. And I have to say, Realme of late has been nailing it with their TWS earbuds. Not only do they sound amazing, but they have tons of features at an incredibly affordable price. We get ANC on board, we get spatial audio, we get app support, we get low latency gaming mode and so much more for just $2,199. Super impressive. We also got a chance to test the ANCs on the flight. I'll share my experiences further in this video. I'd also like to add, it's not perfect. They do cut some corners to achieve that price. We'll talk about the pros and cons so you can decide we should buy the Realme Buds T300 or not. Let's begin. So we'll start with a quick unboxing. Here's the retail packaging, the image of the buds, some features mentioned on this side, while some more on the other side. Behind are the manufacturing details and some more information. Let's quickly open it up. Inside we have the buds itself, a user guide in English, 2 pairs of silicone ear tips of different sizes, and a USB-C charging cable. Alright, let's have a closer look at the buds. Now first thing you can see is that it's so compact, easily fits in your palm. The build quality is really nice, matte black finish, so it won't attract any fingerprint or smudges. You can spot the Realme branding on it. Towards the bottom is the USB-C port to charge the buds. Let's open the lid. And the best thing is you can open the lid with one hand. I find this really convenient. The hinge quality is also really good. So it comes with this beige finish inside, which looks really nice. You can spot the earphones inside. Let's quickly remove them. And there you go. Wow, these look so nice. Very, very compact. They come with this buds and a small stem design which really stand out. The top part has a glossy finish while the stem has a matte finish. You can also spot the microphones on them, which is going to help you for phone calls as well as noise cancellation. The T300s come with IP55 rating, so splashes and sweat should be fine. Ideal to be worn at the gym or for a run. Then you also get the latest Bluetooth 5.3, so better stable connectivity. There's no Google fast pairing support. The standard, open the lid to enter pairing mode and click to connect. Simple. iPhone users too will have to follow a similar process. Coming to the fit and comfort. Well, I'm currently wearing both and I can tell you that they snug in really nicely and block most of the passive sound. Also, they're really light, 4.1 grams each to be precise. And they're very comfortable to be worn for long hours. We tried shaking our head and as you can see, they don't fall off either. Just make sure you have the right size of earbuds because that will make a huge difference in fit and eventually sound quality. Talking about the sound quality. Well, first you need to know that it supports only AAC codec. Sadly, no SBC codec support, but trust me, the sound will absolutely blow you away. The 12.4mm drivers provide a very rich audio experience. It gets loud enough with no distortion even at high volume. The instrument separation and clarity is quite decent, but what takes the center stage is the bass. Bass to bhai zabardast hai. It's punchy and it's deep and it's that premium kind of bass, not the one that gives you a migraine. Of course, you can further adjust the bass from the preset equalizer, pure bass or deep bass from the Realme Link app. For those who want to fine tune it, you can even custom set the equalizer as per your preference. Then it comes with active noise cancellation, and what better way to test it than on a flight. And I must say, it doesn't disappoint. Realme claims it cancels around 30 decibels, which is not the gold standard when it comes to ANC, but not bad in any way. While on a flight, I can say it cancels out most of the white noise, like the engine noise and the in-flight announcements. The noise cancellation does a pretty good job, especially when you consider the price. Then there's also transparency mode, where it enhances the sound around you, making you aware of your surroundings. Ideal to be worn when you're outdoors so that the traffic sound can be heard. We also use these a lot for phone calls. Here's a quick demo. So the audio hearing right now is being recorded from the mics of the T300s. This is how you would sound when you use these earphones on phone calls. In together, they have 4 mics for noise cancellation and of course phone calls. In my experience, the audio was pretty clear, both indoors as well as outdoors. However, you guys are the best judge. Write down the comments and share your feedback. It also comes with app support, the Realme Link app, which is available on both Android and iOS. It's got a ton of customization and control, For starters, you can see the battery percentage of the buds and the case. The noise controls to toggle ANC, you can turn it off, you can even turn on transparency mode. In sound effects modes, there are preset equalizers, there's serenade, there's original sound, there's pure bass, and I know everyone's favorite, deep bass. You can even custom set the equalizer, which I think is so handy. Further, you can toggle on and off spatial audio. Now, spatial audio is a mixed bag. Frankly, I feel it's just too much noise from every direction and the clarity eventually is lost. Not a fan, but keep in mind only certain music and videos and gaming apps support this function. So use this only when you see spatial audio mentioned on the content. Then you also get Dolby Atmos support, and you can choose between environmental profile or scenario specific profile, like you're indoors, on the go, traveling in a public transport or on a flight. Choose accordingly. Then these earbuds also come with tap controls, so you can pause, play, you can change tracks. The music just started playing. Okay, so you can pause, play, you can change tracks, you can answer reject calls, you can toggle on and off noise cancellation and transparency mode, and you can even adjust the volume. The best part is you can custom set each gesture of each earbud separately from the Realme Link app. I find that extremely helpful. Then there's also low latency gaming mode, which can be toggled on from the app. Frankly, gaming, I did feel a slight delay even with gaming mode turned on, but it's very slight and you can still play. However, while watching movies and videos, the vocals synced perfectly, no delay at all. Coming to the battery. So Realme hasn't shared the exact size of the battery, but they claim it will last for about 40 hours with the case. But in my use and with ANC turned on, I easily got about 25 to 30 hours, which I think is pretty impressive. There's also fast charge support, so about 10 minutes of quick charge will give you 7 hours of music playback. Can't ask for more, can you? But if I had to pick out the cons, there's no ear detection, there's no dual pairing support, and there's no adaptive ANC. ANC can just be turned on and off. But again, for just $2,199, just the sound quality and ANC are so good that you really can't complain. For the price, here they are. These are easily recommended. It will go on sale on 12th of September. It will be available in 2 colors. There's black and white. I'll share the links of both in the description. If you'd like to buy one, you should definitely check these one out. So I hope this video was helpful. If there are any questions, mention them down in the comments below and I'll be happy to answer them all. Don't forget to like, share, and please don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, cheers.